Hi, Rana here from Technical SU Team Parliament. Today we'll learn how to fetch the campaign summary or details from the instantly using API. For this purpose, I have used the Google Apps script code. Here it is. You can copy this sheet file and make a copy for yourself. And in the code, I have integrated the API key. You have to replace the API key with this. So it's my API key. So you can use your own API key here and just go to the menu, fetch from instantly, and click on the fetch all. So it will fetch all the campaign IDs, campaign name, and the status active or completed, and the email accounts using the for the campaign specifically. And in the analytics, you will get the campaign ID, campaign name, and the total leads and connected leads who replied, how many bounced, how many subscribed, and how many prospects completed. So you can easily automate the stuff from instantly to Google Sheets using API. So for other platforms like Sales Handy, Mistrika, MailChimp, Sandinblue, and Mailshake, you can find another videos on the same channel. Tap the like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you.